Imagine you're in a survival situation and have to make a bow and arrow to survive, but you have limited resources, so you have to ask yourself, is reinforcement really rewarding? Well, with this project, I hope to answer just that. The question was this: does adding reinforcing layers to a bow actually have a significant impact on its range and accuracy? And if so, is it a positive or a negative effect? I hope to solve this problem by creating a bow made out of PVC, putting various amounts of fiberglass rods in the hollowed out center of the PVC, and shooting to see if the range and accuracy is affected by these inserts. By doing this, I hope to help anyone who loves archery, whether that be for hunting, survival skills, or just recreation, to be able to have the best equipment that they can get. In this experiment, it is hypothesized that the PVC with 3 fiberglass rods will have the most range, and that the PVC with no fiberglass rods will be the most accurate. Now for the discussion of the results. I noticed that the PVC bow with no fiberglass rods consistently had the largest error spread, while the PVC bow with 3 fiberglass rods consistently had the smallest error spread. I also noticed that the spread decreased as more fiberglass rods were added. In addition to this, I noticed that the PVC bow with no fiberglass rods sent arrows the shortest distance, whereas the bow with 3 fiberglass rods sent arrows the furthest distance. To go along with this, the range of each bow increased as more fiberglass rods were added. The conclusion that I drew from this was that the PVC bow with 3 fiberglass rods had the most range, and that the PVC bow with no fiberglass rods was actually the least accurate. So, let's summarize. The purpose of this experiment was to help many people who are enthusiastic about archery to be able to get the best equipment that they can get. My hypothesis was that the PVC with 3 fiberglass rods would have the most range, and that the PVC with no fiberglass rods would be the most accurate. What actually ended up happening was that the PVC with 3 fiberglass rods had the most range, and was also the most accurate. In conclusion, what this experiment proved was that adding reinforcement to a bow, in this case fiberglass, actually does improve its overall performance.